In this video we will be looking at recording a macro in Excel to filter a table. Automating table filtering through a recorded macro in Excel streamlines data analysis, allowing users to quickly focus on specific information without manual filter setup. Let's focus on this worksheet with a table as an example. Before recording a macro, it is good practice to save the file as macro-enabled to ensure it works in the future. To do so, select Save As and find the macro-enabled option from the drop-down. To start a macro recording, you must click on the Record button in the lower left corner of the screen. After the Record macro window opens, give it a name and select OK. Note that you can create a shortcut key to run this macro as well as create a description of what the macro does. With a table that can be sorted and filtered, I will add a filter to the last column to only show values that are greater than or equal to 1000. Now I will stop recording the macro by clicking on the Stop button. I'm going to clear the filter that was added to test the macro. Now to test the macro I use Fn plus option plus F8 to view macros. Select the macro that I just created and run. You can run the macro from a button. To do so, click on the Insert tab followed by clicking on the Shapes option. Insert a shape into the worksheet. Next, open the menu for the shape and assign the shape to the macro. Obviously, not a good place for the button. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.